Hi guys, today I will explain how to save video in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open that project and import that video which you want to save. The next thing is we will save the and for this. We have few ways by which we can save our video in Adobe. The first one is we can export that video and can save that to choose a specific location. And for exporting, we have two ways. The first way is take a look on the left top. You can see the option of export. Click on it, and here you can write your file name. And also can choose the location for your video. And this video will be saved in your computer. But if you want to save this video in Adobe application, take a look on the left, or you can see the option file. Click on it. And here you can see the option of save, and the shortcut is Ctrl+S. Click on it, and you can see your video will be saved. And also, if you press Ctrl+S from your keyboard, then the same method will be applied. And this video will be saved in your Adobe. And even if you close the application or some error occurs, this video will be the same like it was on saving. And it was the way by which you can save your video in Adobe.